Hey, what's going on? Today I'm going to show you how to put on an oil filter adapter on a Chevy small block V8. So this right here is the actual adapter. Behind it is a gasket, and this is it prior to being tightened down. Alright, so quick explanation. This is what lets you actually screw your oil filter on. Your oil filter screws right onto there. This is held onto the engine block with two bolts, one here, one here. Behind the adapter is a gasket, sort of metal. When you put this on, it doesn't matter which side you put forward, do not put any RTV on this, in between this and the block, or in between this and the gasket. Okay, so just a little prep work before putting this onto the actual engine. Go ahead and wipe off your gasket, make sure there's not a lot of dirt on it. I'll do that after I stop filming. But take your adapter, put the bolts through it, and then line the bolts up with the gasket, and then put those through the gasket as well. And then we're going to go ahead and install this onto the engine. Okay, so when you install it, just line it up with these two bolt holes. Wipe this whole area clean. I've already done that. It helps if you can get one started. Once they're both hand tight, then you can go ahead and start tightening them down in a back and forth motion. So what that means is tighten this bolt down, then tighten this bolt down. Don't just cinch one down before getting to the other. Okay, so before I go ahead and tighten these down, one quick note, this should be closest to your oil pan. It should not be close to your exhaust headers. So just remember that. This little circle right here should be closer to your oil pan and on the opposite side of your exhaust system. Thanks.